Last September 30, Wednesday, dumating sa bansa ang Korean heartthrob na si Kim Bum, also known as Yi Jung of Boys Over Flowers. Ipinanganak si Kim Bum sa South Korea na Dream na kasalukuyang ang pinapalasa at dito sa ABS-CBN. Nakagawa naman si Kim Bum ng movies, kabilang dito ang I Like It Hot, Bosa at Emergency. Last year, tumanggap ng PRD Award si Kim Bum sa 2008 Korean Drama Festival. Marami na rin isang software commercial kung saan makakasama niya si Maha Salvador at kasabay naman ang pagdating ni Kim Bum sa bansa ang aftermath ng bagyong Ondoy. The Korean star feels sorry for the victims of Typhoon Ondoy. Plano rin daw talaga ni Kim Bum na mag-voluntary charity work sa mga orphans dito sa Pilipinas. At ngayong hapon, live na
again in the Philippines?
To meet you.
Before we proceed with the interview, we'd like to give you a special token of love from your fans. Of course, kasama rin natin ngayon ang interpreter ni Bum. We have Tia. Thank you so much for being with us today. Tia. Okay, so actually si Bum, because we are super close na talaga, si Bum is here because we shot a commercial, RC Cola commercial with Maha Salvador, is that right? How was it like working with Maha for RC Cola?
사실 저희가 아침 6시 정도부터 그런 것도 있지만 이렇게 많은 분들이 환영해 주셔서 너무나 즐겁게 촬영했고요. 또 마사가로 너무 반갑게 또 재밌게 해서 굉장히 즐거운 촬영이었습니다.
Actually, we just finished shooting this.
I know, sorry, kaya man, no.
No, six actually.
And then after that, Victoria,
And I heard him like taking a shower. It's like, yeah, then, you can imagine it. We've been going through the shootings in the morning, so he's like super tired actually at the moment. And like, working with this Maha Salvador, he really loved it. And actually, I wish we were all there. It was official. I mean, the love was in the air. I just want to get
love is in the air.
between them, but the working itself, I mean, the whole
Yes.
team.
Okay, it's the whole team.
In
Okay,
spite
the whole
of the
team.
heavy rain and air na talagang malakas, love is in the air.
Vloggers in the, alam mo, I can honestly say na pinasaya niya talaga ako today. Sobra, sobra.
Wait,
So how was it during the shoot? Was it so much fun?
너무너무 재미있는 촬영이었고 또 마사도 이게 또 많은 스태프분들이 굉장히 재밌게 또 즐겁게 촬영을 유도해 주셔서 너무나 기억에 남는 촬영이 된 것 같아요.
Super duper fun. And of course, with Maha Salvador, that was also fun. But aside from her, all the staff were so nice, so funny. Yes, so.
You know, even if I can't understand what he's saying, sobrang gusto ko lang pakinggan.
I know. Alam niyo, grabe. Sobrang liit ng face niya. Ganito lang.
You know what? Talaga sa
No, wait,
cute, I
wait.
swear.
You know what? Sorry, this is pero tinitingnan ko yung pores niya. Wala ang ganda ng skin niya.
Your skin is so
Yeah,
good.
great skin.
Your skin is better
You
than
have
our
no
skin.
pores. And you
Yeah.
don't even have makeup on and you're tired. My goodness.
Yeah. What more if you're not?
Okay, go, Bianca. Ask him something.
Are you aware that you have so many
Flowers Philippines Fans Club because they also gave relief goods. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Grabe, these are really trying times para sa ating mga Pilipino. Pero may mga moment talaga na ganito. Talagang ang saya-saya natin, di ba? So, it's a nice breather. Nako, ano na? Paano ba natin
They're saying Sarah
I
Hey!
don't want these people dito. Yeah, can you just help him out, give a last message to all the Filipinos?
저도 이렇게 태풍과 많은 비가 오는 너무 안타깝게 생각하고요. 또 그러는 이만큼 또 희망을 갖고 항상 웃으면서 지내시길 진심으로 기도하겠습니다.
He says he feels sorry for what has happened to the Philippines. At the same time, people don't lose their hope, more power and strength. Yes. And keep smiling. That's what he said.
Thank you so much, Bom. We hope to see you again.
Salamat!
Maganda si Blanca. Kanina, sabi lang talaga, maganda, sabi niya. Thank you so much for being here.
Okay. Meron kaming special announcement sa mga fans kasi sabi ni Tia, he can understand English. So, kayo daw pwede kayong makapag-communicate